Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I've been wanting to do Halloween looks ever since last year, but I didn't have the guts to get on camera and just do it because I was like so lost in how I was gonna do it and how it was gonna come out. But I got somewhat of practice last year, so now I kind of want to bring it to you guys so you guys can see how I created some of these looks. Obviously this year is going to be a little different than last year's look. I'm going to try to be somewhat different. So excited to just kind of show you guys. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, let's just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, as you can tell on the title, I am going to be transforming myself into the iconic Pennywise clown. So I'm excited. I have this on already because this was going to take me a while to kind of figure out how I was going to do it. I did go to the 99-cent store to buy these things. So you can get these things in the 99-cent store. Not the best, but it's something. I just want to show you guys really quick how I have it down here. So this is basically like a black tutu that I found at the 99-cent store. And this is like a little ghost thing that they had. And I just took the like fabric off the little ghost thing. And then I just kind of stuffed it in here as much as I could. So that is how I have it. So it's very cheap, you know, improvising. But let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is going to be covering my brows up. So we can just kind of have like a blank canvas all over myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of brush them up. And then with the spoolie brush, you're going to go ahead and just kind of comb them upwards. Like so. As you can tell, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Like this. So now we're gonna go in with my Beauty Mark. This is the cream white paint pot thingy malingy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of add this on my brows. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. These are their like Halloween paint pots that they came out with last year, and I'm just gonna add this all over my face and kind of make my face all white. I just want to tell you guys can find these at Walgreens. I don't know if they're gonna have them on this year, but they had them there last year. Just letting you guys know. Okay, next I am gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids, and we're gonna go ahead and just put this all over. Honestly, I am a little concerned of how this look is gonna come out. I've never done a Halloween look in camera, so I want to make sure I do a good look for you guys. I know you guys can kind of see my brows, but either way, like, he kind of does have like a little shadow going on, so I'm just gonna use that to map that out. But I'm gonna do like a really smoky kind of eye mixed with a tad bit of red. I'm gonna go in with my James palette right over here, and I'm gonna be using the shade You're Kidding and Rusted to kind of blend those two shadows on my eyes. And we're gonna just kind of not be like so clean with it, just kind of be messy. Just gonna just blend this all over the lid, and then we're gonna go in with a tad bit of black. I'm gonna press that in there. This doesn't have to be clean since it's kind of like very Halloween-y looky. So we're just gonna just do this. We want to emphasize these brows, so we're gonna kind of bring it upwards a tad bit. So I'm gonna go in with this My Beauty Mark. This is their paint pot, and I'm gonna be adding this all over my lid just to kind of make it darker and like more like smokier. We're gonna blend that with the red, and we're just using the red just to kind of make it look spookier, like nothing too serious. And then we're gonna go in with the red again, and we're just gonna blend that all over. We're gonna go in with our James palette right over here and Get Spooky, which is this black one right here, and we're gonna add that just to kind of set it. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the top part. I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the bottom eye right over here and just kind of make it super extra smoky. gonna go ahead and get the same thing right here and this one right over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and just blend it all out so it doesn't look too harsh. And we're just using circular motions for this so it can kind of give it this like look of like death. So I don't know if you guys have seen the movie of the chapter 2 one. I thought it was actually really good. I don't know who has seen it, but I thought it was so good and I really liked it. So if you have not watched it, you guys need to watch it. I look crazy right now. Like I look so crazy. I hope this helps you guys, but I look crazy. I'm gonna go in with this white one right here, which is Flashback, and I'm just gonna use that to just kind of blend all the edges out so it doesn't look too crazy. But you know what, I am gonna be using the Norvina palette. I'm gonna use the Norvina palette right here, and I'm gonna use this white because this white is insanely better than the James palette one. So you guys can see, it just gives it like a natural white finish and it's just way better. So we're gonna use this to kind of set our under eyes and just kind of blend everything out. I don't know if you can see how it kind of made it a little better, and I like that way more. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my Dark Side gel, and we're gonna kind of line our eyes here. I do want to add a little bit of texture to my skin. I'm going to be grabbing my Wet n Wild. These are my paint palettes that I got at Walgreens. We're going to go ahead and add this gray one right over here. We're just going to get like a stipple brush. And what we're going to do is just going to stipple it all over the skin right over here so it doesn't look too clean. I'm going to add it on the temples right here to make it more darker. Next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get the same brush that I put all over my face, and I'm just going to tap it in there to kind of blend it all out. And then now with a little fan brush, I am going to just go in and dip it into that gray and just kind of add a little bit of texture, just kind of like more like lines, so it just doesn't look too kind of crazy, kind of like veiny. I don't know if that makes any sense. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my... This is my liquid lipsticks from Milk Cosmetics. This is in the shade Death Cherry. And I'm going to be using this on my lips. Okay, but I do notice that he kind of has like a little bit of like a longer lip in the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to elongate my lips a tad bit more from the bottom, middle. Like this. Oh, crazy. Oh my god, I hope I'm able to pull this off for you guys because I'm a little nervous being able to kind of show you guys. I feel like I'm not talking as much, but this will come up. I swear this look is gonna look dope. Now I'm gonna go in with my Suva Beauty. This is in Cherry Bomb. These are their hydro liners, so they're water activated. So I'm gonna just go ahead and spray some water here a little, and then we're gonna mix it up together right here. And then with this, we're gonna start doing that like typical It kind of vibe that he has going on. So we're just gonna kind of shade. Okay, so far that is how I have it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now so you can match it. The hard part is matching them, so I hope I'm able to do that for you guys right here. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on my nose as well, just to kind of give us that clown nose. Okay, now that that's done the nose, I am gonna add a little bit of dimension to the nose just so it doesn't look too flat. So I'm gonna go in with this one right over here. We're gonna just kind of add somewhat of shadow to the nose so it doesn't look plain. We want to add a little bit of highlight to the tip of the nose, so I'm just tapping in whatever I put on my brows, like that white. We're just gonna tap it in and just blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. We're gonna go in with this right over here to kind of show that I had somewhat of brow bone going on. So we're just gonna define that brow part right here in the beginning, just to add a bit shadow like this. Right over here, just to kind of define that and just bring that back a tad bit more. Little bit of this darker one I'm gonna just add from the tip, and we're gonna blend it all out just to kind of blend it in, to kind of deepen it a bit more. I don't know if you can see the difference that makes. And we're just kind of adding this and bringing it back. Okay, now that that's done, I am gonna go ahead and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is my final look for the It look that I created. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a little bit hard to kind of focus on the look and how I wanted to like come out, but I hope you guys really liked this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like this look. And then if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me to be part of you, having you in my family, my little fam bam. If you guys want to keep seeing more Halloween looks, just go ahead and subscribe. I will be putting up more videos for September and October, so keep an eye look on that. I don't know if that's a look. But anyways, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. My name is right over here. I'm going to be posting my looks there too. Thank you guys, and I hope this is an easy look to create. It's not that hard, and like I'm just so excited to even show you guys how I do like an It look. That's like an iconic look to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. If you guys have any questions or any Halloween ideas you guys want me to do, go ahead and give it a little comments right over there. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up if you guys like the way I created the It look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.